Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to graph this one. So the limit on the left, that should be like this. The limit on the right, that should be like this. And then we go from the left to the right. This one from the right to the left. So in here we have number 4 with negative sign in here. That is about the limit on the left. Now we put number 4 cone here, and we have like this. Now we need to graph about this one. So this one that is about number 4 in here. This one that's about number 3. That's about number 5. So we just use about the step function. So from 4 to 5, that is about y equals to number 4. From 3 to 4, that is about y equals to number 3. Because as approach to number 4 on the left they will go to this way. So we can see that this number in here is closer and closer with like 3.99 or 3.999 and so on in here, because this number belong to this interval in here. So that means we need to select the smallest one, that is about number 3, and number 3 that's about y equals to number 3 in here, and that's why we put number 3 go on here. And this one we have the final answer, and we have number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.